You may or may not have noticed that Send in Google Forms is now Publish. Next to Publish, there is now a share icon. The others are very similar to what was there before. In the past, when you created a Google form, you could go into preview mode and copy the link from here. Now in preview mode, you will notice that it says not published and that this form isn't accepting responses. For this form to be published, you need to click Publish. Now you have some details to adjust or to keep. Right now, the responders have to be in our domain, so they have to have Orland School District accounts. If I click Manage, I can change that. For example, anyone with the link, which would be good for our parents or people outside the district. Another thing is you can add people in individually, and when you do, you can change their role from responder to editor, and you can add an expiration to those rights and privileges. You can add the notify people, which will send them an email. Once your form is published, then this changes up here. After you have published your form, you can use this link to share the link at any time, copy it, and then paste it where you need to paste it, turn it into a QR code. But here's where you can get the link, but you can also get it in here with the copy responder link, or in the preview, you can copy the responder link here as well. You can click on this and you can turn it off at any time where it will not accept responses. So you can turn off the accepting responses and you can edit this message. This form is no longer accepting responses is the default message, but you can change that. And then you can click Save. In the responses area, you can view your responses in Google Sheets, or you'll get the summaries down here like you did before. In Google Sheets, this is more recent, but not as recent as the Publish update. And so you can see the top is much cleaner and easier for sorting. You can click on these little arrows here to sort your columns and filter them. And that's a very nice option when you're going through your data that you've collected with your form. Another option here is the three dots. You can get email notifications for new responses. This has been here before, but you may not have known about that. So I thought I'd point that out. In the three dots there, you can set up email notifications for new responses. Those are some of the updates in Google Forms. Stay tuned for more in future editions of the Integration Digest.